Hello everyone, Dan Mason here with another rebuttal. This time we want to show you why you can't separate abiogenesis from evolution. Some people try to separate abiogenesis, the origin of life, from evolution. They'll say, evolution only explains the diversity of life after it begins, as if that excuses the weak spot at the very foundation. But the origin matters. It sets the boundaries for everything that follows. If life began through design, then random changes run into hard limits from the start: intelligent design and irreducible complexity. Intelligent design theory makes this clear. Some biological systems can't work unless all their parts are present from the beginning. Michael Behe's famous example is the bacterial flagellum, a tiny rotary engine inside cells. Remove one piece, and it stops functioning entirely. Natural selection works by small, practical steps, but here, no single part works on its own. That means step-by-step Darwinian assembly just doesn't fit. The biblical view: distinct kinds. The Bible's creation account in Genesis says God made distinct kinds of life, each reproducing after its own kind. That means variation happens within a kind, but not across kinds. The fossil record supports this idea. Instead of smooth, gradual transitions, we see sudden appearances of fully formed creatures. That's exactly what design would predict. Not alone in doubting Darwin. I'm not the only one saying this. Over 1,000 scientists, many with PhDs in biology or related fields, have publicly expressed doubt that random mutation and natural selection can explain life's complexity. The number keeps growing. History reminds us that scientific consensus has been wrong before. People once agreed that the Earth was flat. Truth comes from evidence, not a vote. Small changes aren't the same as new kinds. Young Earth creationists have no problem with minor changes. Dogs can vary widely, but they stay dogs. No one has ever observed a dog slowly turning into a cat. Microevolution within kinds is real. Macroevolution across kinds is a different claim entirely. Life is more like chess than chance. Think of life like a chess game. The pieces have specific shapes and rules for how they move. Someone had to make the pieces, define the rules, and set the board. Scatter random objects on a table, and you don't get chess. In the same way, DNA carries coded information, rules for building and running life. Random chemistry doesn't write a language that precise. Stephen Meyer calls this specified complexity, the kind of complexity that points to a mind behind it. Evolution assumes life started simple and got more complex over time, but the evidence shows that even the earliest cells were already packed with advanced molecular machinery. That's why design, not blind chance, makes the most sense of life's order and purpose. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.